काल हांवें आयकलां की दोग जाण वयताले एकल्यागे आरसो मोटरसायकलीचो मातशें टच जालो दुसऱ्यागे मोटरसायकलीगे आरश्याक कोण पडलो ना कांय डॅमेज जालो ना आरसो फुटलो ना पूण हो दुसरो आशिल्लो तो एज फाटल्यान आयलो आनी डिस्कशन करूंक लागले आनी म्हणलो सॉरी म्हूण कांय जालें ना बट कितें येतलें केलां हो देंवलो खंय आनी ताका मारपाक लागलो मारलो इतलो मारलो ताका तकले मार लागला and there are other injuries. I have come to know that he is Purushottam Vellekar, who is the brother of Raju Vellekar. Raju Vellekar is a person who is working in the BJP office in North Goa BJP office. And on that strength, apparently he has tried to misuse the power and the connections of his brother and probably of the BJP. Because this Raju Vellekar ran to the police outpost in Aldona to try to see whether the thing could be hushed up. But it could not be hushed up because there were severe injuries on the person of Velroy Dias who was assaulted. I don't believe that such kind of thing should ever be done by anyone. This kind of assault which is taking place because of your personal ego, it should not happen. And I think that there should be very strict action to be taken by the police. Immediately I spoke to Velroy on the phone yesterday, Teka GMC Noillo. And at that time I spoke to him. I also spoke to the PI who told me that they were in the process of registration of the FIR. I spoke to the DYSP in the morning and asked him, has the accused been arrested? Because he should be arrested without fail. But this is a serious matter. It's not one of those where, it's a small thing. And he said, no sir, we are going to be doing that because it's not a matter, I normally don't fall into this kind of problems. But when it is law and order, I believe that there has to be prompt action to be taken. And we will not tolerate this kind of dadagiri or gundagiri in our constituency. And if Fatlan tumche political party asa jalyar, whichever political party, I will not allow it. And this should not be that the BJP is resorting to this kind of gundaism and encouraging their members to do gundagiri. So I will appeal to the Chief Minister to bring sense into their members and also to rein in their people. Even if they want to use Tanawade, I will make sure that Tanawade will act according to reason and not contrary to law and do justice to the victim who has suffered injury.
सर किती सांगत होतं आम्ही पहिले की क्राईम रेट वाढत आहे what do you think about the crimes?
आज तुम पळयलें आसतलें that every day scenes न्ही आसात ते आमचे आतां रिपोर्टिंग जातात कित्याक तुमी एक्टीव आसात म्हणून I compliment the media, I compliment the print and the electronic media for taking up issues, highlighting them, and तुमचे पासत more and more of these FIRs are coming up. हांव एक सांगू सोदतां FIR थर्ड पार्टी सप्रेस करतात ते रेजिस्टर करना भायल्या भायर कॉम्प्रोमायज करूंक सोदतात आनी दे रेजिस्टर एज इफ दे मायनर इन्सिडंट्स हे लोकांचे राग मागीर चडटा and then when it bursts out into a bigger issue then you have more serious offences being committed. So it is not new for me that there are large number of crime rates, but हांव एक सांगता there were large number of crime rates, but now alarmingly large number of crime rates आसात थोडा चड वाडला.
सर जसं तुम्ही म्हटलं की केस रजिस्टर जाता पण मागीर खंय तरी कॉम्प्रोमायजूय जाता म्हणून एका कडेन केस रजिस्टर जाता एका कडेन पुलीसूच कॉम्प्रोमायज करता काय कितें
सो एक सांगता शेजारी जाल्या न्ही आनी सोयरे जाले कॉम्प्रोमायज केल्या म्हाका केन्ना प्रॉब्लेम ना आनी नॉर्मली हांव सांगता लोकांक म्हज्या लोकांक पासून सांगता शेजारी म्हाका भितर गायनाका कित्याक तूं मुगे वोटर आसो तोय वोटर आसो आनी तुमकां आनी आमकां चॉयस ना शेजारी चूज करपाक आनी आमचे सोयऱ्या चूज करपाक. सो हेंचे मदें तुमी बरें करून रावपाक जात जाल्यार कॉम्प्रोमायज केल्यार सुद्दां तुगे लायफ बरें वयतली. सो इफ अ कॉम्प्रोमायज टेक्स प्लेस शेजाऱ्या मदें ऑर सोयऱ्या मदें आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी कित्याक ही हॅपी रेजोल्युशन काबार जाता आनी सद्दां बरे भाशेन रावतले. बट थर्ड पार्टी प्रेशर हाडून सेटल केली म्हूण दॅट इज रॉंग. अँड नॉर्मली आमी आतां आयकतात आउटसायडर वर्सीस लोकल्स हें चलवता आनी आउटसायडर सुद्दां इन्फ्लुएन्शियल नेम्स काडटात आनी दाखयतात तेंगे पावर आसा म्हणून आनी आमगे सामकें काबार जाता थिंगा. समटायम्स इवन द पुलीस डज नॉट एक्ट because of the connections which people have got. आणि आम पहिले आसागांव case was one of those standing out. पण आणि पासून आसात, which we are seeing every day unfolding.
पार्टीचा मिसयूज जाता
कितें?
पार्टीचा मिसयूज पॉवर
It is bound to happen. When you are in power, you want to help your people, and this kind of thing can happen.